Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the chicken and potato, celery and carrots stew. Chinese name called 家常炖鸡块炖鸡块。The main ingredients we need 2 pounds of chicken thigh. The chicken thighs, 2 pounds of chicken thighs, and 2 or 3 potatoes, and a handful of celery, and 3 carrots, and 2 scallion or green onion, and I think it's 5 cloves of garlic, and 4 pieces of ginger, close to over 1 tablespoon ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. The scallion I already washed and peeled the dead skin. We cut the root off. Cut it from middle, and then we just cut it as thin as possible. Try to probably close like this, as thin as possible. If you can't cut it very thin, we can chop it later. We just cut it. Put it into the bowl. Okay. This is the scallion we get. Okay, we cut the ginger. This ginger, slice the ginger. We cut it like this. Okay. Then we cut it. Okay, we chopped it. This is the ginger we get. Okay, we cut the garlic. The garlic, we cut this bottom part off. Okay, now we just slice it. Perhaps like this. This is the garlic we get. Okay, we cut peel the skin potato. This potato we cut like this. Cut it like this and slice it, cut it like this. Okay, then we cut it from the middle. Cut from the middle, then we cut it. So the final will be this big. Not too big, not too small. We put it in the cold tap or soak in the cold tap water. Okay, this is the potato we get. I cut 4 potato. You can cut 2. It's up to you. Okay, we cut the celery. This celery, we cut this part off, and this part off, and after that we just cut it like this. This final part will be this big. Okay. This is the celery we get it. we wash it and cut it. Okay, we cut the washed and peeled the skin carrots. These carrots we cut the top part off and the root part, this part also off, top part off. And then we will cut it like this. We'll cut it like this. So the final will be like this. This is the carrots we get. Okay, cut the package. Open. I open the cold tap water. To rinse the chicken and put it into the, just rinse in the blood and put it in the pot. If you don't like skin, you can peel. You can just peel the skin if you want. We use a paper towel to dry the chicken. Try to soak the water. Okay, we cut the chicken side. This chicken side has a bone in. Chicken thighs, we cut it close to the bone. And the eye is also close to the bone. Okay, so there'll be a bone in 3 pieces. We cut this from the middle. And this was from middle. So those are the final. Yeah, this big. Yeah, we use. Here's the chicken we get. We add I think 8 cups and the 2/3 pot of the water. We turn on the stove, half air, and we add the chicken into the water, in the cold tap water. This is a Chinese cooking wine. We add 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine to it. Okay, we just heat the water until the water is boiling. Yeah, just to process the chicken. Now you can see it's boiling. Then we will drain the water. Okay, we get use this. We get the chicken out. Try not to get the foam. Then just do this. Get the chicken out. Okay, we get all the chicken. Then we turn off the stove, and we go to use a hot water to rinse the foam off the chicken. Okay, we turn on the hot water and to rinse the foam off the chicken. Use the hot water to rinse the foam off the chicken. Okay, the sand is clear. We just turn off the water and then drain the water. Let the chicken cool down. Turn on the stove. Medium fire. Put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil because we fry a lot of stuff. Rinse the pot. Okay, we add garlic into the oil. Okay, the oil still need to wait a little while. Okay, the oil start frying. We add the ginger, garlic, and ginger, garlic scallion into it. And slow fry. When the garlic, ginger, and scallion release good smell, we add the chicken into it. We fry it. Just slowly fry until the chicken fat and go to the oil. And the chickens don't have a lot of water in the pot. We go. Just slowly fry. Okay, when the liquid in the chicken is gone, we slow fry a little while. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and fry. This is a dark soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to it. This is the salt. We add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. This is hot water. We add around the pot. We add 2.5 cup of hot water into it, and turn the fire to the high fire. Okay. My pot lid is broken, so I use this lid. It's halfly cut it and cook the chicken. So I put this here. If you're a big lid, you just put the big lid on. Just slowly, when it's boiling, we turn the fire to high fire. When it's boiling, then we will go to the next step. Now you can see it start boiling. Then we turn the fire to the medium fire and slowly cook the chicken. And for 10 minutes, then we will check it. Okay. After 10 minutes, we check the chicken. We can use a chopstick to poke the chicken. If it's easy to poke through, means the chicken is fully cooked. So this chicken is fully cooked. Okay, we added the potato into it. The drained water potato into it. And add carrots and celery into it. Okay, we mix it. Stir fry it. This is the oyster sauce. We add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce to it. Mix it. Okay, we cover it and let it slowly cook. So we let it cook for 10 minutes. We check it until all the vegetables are fully cooked. While the veggie is cooking, don't forget to stir it. Don't forget to stir it so the bottom and the top veggie can get the sauce and also be fully cooked. So don't forget to stir it. Okay, we cover it. Okay, after 10 minutes, and we stir the potatoes. The vegetables still not soft, so we just cook a little longer. We cook 10 more minutes. We just stir it. That is the bottom and the top of the veggies both can fully cooked. So just okay. We cover it and cook 10 more minutes until all the vegetable becomes soft. Be fully cooked. Okay, after 10 minutes, we check the veggie. You see the veggie is cooked now. Okay, let me try the carrots. The carrots become soft, fully cooked. The flavor is good. Now try the potato. The potato is fully cooked. If your chopstick pinch, it's easy to pinch it. Let me try it. And the celery is fully cooked. We turn off the stove so the dish is done. We get the rice. Get the dish. So this dish is done. The chicken, potato, celery and carrots stew. Chinese name called 家常炖鸡块 or 炖鸡块. This dish is done. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.